Turn the detector counterclockwise until it unlocks from the mount. Pull down gently. Softly pinch the mount to release the cords. Open the lid of the battery pack. Remove the old battery. Place the new battery in the slot. Make sure the red tab is pushed down under the new battery. A high-pitched chirp will sound after the new battery is placed. Place the cord connection into the slots. Turn the detector clockwise in the mount until it locks into place. Hold the reset button on the front of the detector for 10 seconds. You'll hear several high-pitched sounds. This will let you know the detector is now back in the system.